Good morning, guys. So I just woke up and guess what happened overnight? It snowed. Look, trying to dig my car out of the snow.
To decide that the things that I tried were in my life just to get high on. When I sit alone, come get a little known, but I need more than myself this time. Step from the road to the sea to the sky, and I do believe that we rely on. When I lay it on, come get to play it on, all my life to sacrifice. Hey, oh, listen what I say, oh, I got your hey, oh, now listen what I say, oh, oh.
I like the snow. What I don't like is this part. I hate cleaning up afterwards. It's cold. It's annoying.
When will I know that I really can go to the well one small time to decide on? When it's killing me, when will I really see all that I need to look inside? Come to believe that I better not leave before I get my chance to ride. When it's killing me, what do I really need? All that I need to look inside. Hey, oh, listen what I say, oh.
Alright, I'm almost done. I think I took off about 80% of the snow that's left on my car. I had to take a break because it's super cold. I think it's still gonna snow later. Look at that thing, it froze for plant icicles. Oh. I think this is like 12 inches of snow. Look at this. You make snowballs. Alright, I'm done. I'm gonna go back inside. It's warm. Alright, so I just got inside. I just finished shoveling snow outside. I had to go in because I couldn't feel my hands anymore. It was that cold. I'm not sure if it's still gonna snow later. I hope not. I gotta check the weather update. That's the thing about living here on the East Coast instead of the West Coast. West Coast, I don't think they get snow. Maybe part of Northern California, or like the northern part gets snow, but here in the East Coast, like the whole coast, it snows or rains. But yeah, I like snow. It's just not when it's February. Hello. Huh? What are you doing? Are you shoveling snow?
Huh?
I'm just scraping the snow.
Nice.
Where's Patrick? Oh, there he is. Nope. All right. I don't have work today, so. I don't have work today, so visit. Hello, Patwick.
Yeah, the white side, the face side of the more.
Yeah.
First day in those guys.
Oh, he cried? He cried? Oh, poor puppy.
He was literally voicing his outrage.
Yeah. Poor Batwick. That's why you went to the pet store.
Yeah, that's why I went to the pet store.
Yeah, but then you guys texted me. I was getting ready for work because I had work that